Hey, good morning, y'all out here. Check out this lawnmower I have. This bad boy is 30 inches. Cuts my mooring time almost in half. Anyway, I have a stripe kit for it that I need to put on. But one thing that I noticed about these stripes, I don't know if you can see them, but it's not something that just comes natural. You will have to work on it because I still haven't got my stripe game down with the keeping in the lines. This is going to take a learning curve for me, but trying to keep it straight, you gotta give some respect. I'm telling you, everything looks easy until you have to go and do it. I did a good job on that one, but as you go all the way down, now the stripes are not pronounced because I don't have the stripe kit on it, but I'm going to get it. Then you'll really see the grass stripes after I put the stripe kit, but I'm just trying to work on getting my stripe skills down. And you see I have grass coming in along my edges. I paid a lot of attention to my edges. Killed a lot of I should have just left my grass there and then put herbicides down to kill the weeds, but I just killed everything and started over, which I won't do that again. But anyway, trying to get this stripe, try to get my stripe game down. Hopefully when I put the kit down on it, I'd like to have it down before the kit, because if it looks crazy or out of sync, now the stripe kit will be even more pronounced. But I'm working on it. So y'all get up, get in that yard, get it looking good, and I'll see y'all in the next video.